Hey guys, welcome back. This is a video I didn't expect to make, but here we are. I got some free stuff from a company I work with called Fireworks. Yeah, I started buying from them a while back. They're not really too big right now where I am, so I'm trying to get them out there a bit more to get some exposure, because it's hard to find fireworks in my area, which is Lincoln, for anyone wondering. I mean, closest one is like Galactic or something. So, yeah, so I helped them out, and then I asked them about displays to see if I could maybe come along, and they was like, yeah, no problem. Really nice people, so yeah, they gave me some free stuff for helping them out for 4 days. If you want to see the display I put on, I've got all the videos for them, so just leave a comment if you want to see it. If you don't, then that's fair enough. Yeah, I'll get straight onto it. So the first thing I actually paid for, I did pay for one, but that was it, just because I wanted a fountain, because I haven't got any fountains really. Glacier Rising, Celtic. It's got a lot of powder in this for a fountain. 190 grams of powder. And I don't really buy fountains, so that's pretty insane. And very tall as well. So I think that's about it really. Information there. It's just a silver fountain. So yeah, paid that retail. Well, it was on the website for $13.99, but I got it for a tenner, so I couldn't complain with that. And all the rest I've got here is just free, what he gave me. So I spotted these, and I asked him about them, and you'll all know what they are. They're fountains, they say, but they're like just strobes that never end. Really nice. And obviously I've got 3 of them, so I can set 3 out when I do my display or something. And if you've never seen them before, basically what it is, it's like a fountain, it sprays at the top, but nothing, you can't really see anything coming out the top, and then here it just flashes like white strobe, like really, really bright white strobe, and it just blinks like rapidly, and they look really nice. You'd have seen them in like professional displays. It's by, how do you say that? Yeah. Back free. I don't even know if they have powder weight on them, probably not. No idea. Don't think so. No, I'm just blind. Whatever. So yeah, that was the first thing he gave me for free, because I was just asking him about them. He was like, do you want them? I was like, sure. End of the display, the next thing was meant to have 5 of these going off, but they changed the time. It was meant to fire at 10, and suddenly there was like, no, one fire at 9. So we had to take out a few little bits, so instead of having 5, we had 3. And then he said, do you want one of these? So I was like, yep, I'll take it. Nice little cake, Storm by Celtic. It's just crackle. Tubes are probably 20ml. 115 grams. Red tail to chrysanthemum. 16 shot. Yep, for free. Retails for about £8, £9, or something like that. And then the last one, this is what I was getting at anyway, this is for the full day's work. This will do nicely. 2019 Celtic Ghost Rider. This is a dump cake, which most of you know what it is. 25 shots in 5 seconds. I'd even say it's the actual burst, so probably within about 2 seconds. And then it's just the actual effects, which last for about 5 seconds. 25ml, 325 grams. Yeah. Let's see there. Dump fan. So it just fires 25 shots at once rapidly. And the effects on it is basically fire it all up, everything will explode, nothing, and then you won't see anything for like the first second, and then like a red glitter will like fade in after. It's really nice. So yeah, I didn't have to make a video on this because there's not a lot, but I thought you might enjoy it. So yeah, some more stuff. I think I'm doing a few more displays, so I mean, might be able to get some more stuff. If I do, I'll upload a video. But like I said, yeah, let me know if you want to see the display, and then I can upload it. So yeah, thanks for watching. Leave any comments if you've got anything to ask. And yeah, I'll see you on the next video I make.